Here's how I planned where to install a FAKRO attic ladder and how my builders did it.
Dun, da, 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 da,
Go ahead, in the correct direction.
Go straight in.
Up, up. Oh.
You can just let go.
Okay.
Look, pull the thing. Yeah, there we go.
Let go.
Yeah, now you reach up and pull it. Turn the thing around and hook it.
The rod that will be used to pull down the door was tucked into a spring, and you just turn the top of it and then pull it out. I thought it was missing at first. Obvious place to put a ladder would be in the corner. However, you have to consider that the ladder needs to come down and have a place to go. You don't want to be trapped in a corner if you're trying to load a bunch of crap in your attic.
Always to match up the corner. Let go a little bit less pressure. No, it's fine. Just